In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase an item from Shein using Gcash as your payment method. It's a simple process, but we're going to walk through it step by step to make sure you have everything you need to complete your purchase smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by heading over to Shein's website. Open up your preferred internet browser and type in shein.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on Shein's homepage, where there's always a delightful array of fashion awaiting your exploration. Take a moment to have a look around. There are typically banners showcasing the latest trends, deals, and new arrivals, just waiting to catch your eye. Take your time to browse through the categories that appeal to you. Perhaps you're looking for a cozy sweater for the cooler months, a chic dress for an upcoming event, or maybe some trendy accessories to spice up your wardrobe. You can use the search function if you have a particular item in mind, or simply enjoy scrolling through the endless style inspiration that Shein offers. Once you've found an item that meets your fancy, click on it to view more details. Here, you'll be able to see different images of the product, descriptions, available sizes, and colors. It's crucial to check the size guide to ensure you're making the right choice, especially if you're shopping internationally. Add your preferred items to your cart by selecting the size and color, and then clicking the Add to Bag button. Now it's time to proceed to checkout, which you'll find by clicking on your shopping bag icon, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a summary of your selected items. Be sure to review your choices, making sure everything is correct, whether that means ensuring quantities are right or all preferences are selected. The next important step is to navigate to the payment method section on the checkout page. Here you'll notice a range of payment options available to cater to different preferences. To use Gcash, simply click on the option labeled Gcash, Alipay plus Partner. It's a convenient and secure method, popular for those familiar with mobile payments. Once you select Gcash, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the payment. The site will guide you through every necessary step, ensuring that your transaction is both secure and straightforward. After everything checks out, you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase, detailing your order summary and shipping information. And there you have it, your order is placed. Now, all you have to do is wait for your new fashion pieces to arrive right at your doorstep. Shopping online can be an enjoyable experience, and with platforms like Shein, modern trends are just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your Shein purchase with Gcash. Enjoy your shopping.